Hello.
Hello.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you open your camera? Is it okay? Hi. สวัสดีค่ะ Okay. And may I know your name?
My name is Puha.
Fuha. Okay. So how are you, Fuha?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, have you eaten your breakfast? Have you eat breakfast?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. And so, may I know how old are you, Ponha?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay, I'm 9 years old. Okay, so you're 9 years old. Okay, and are you ready to our class?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, by the way, my name is May. Nice meeting you, Punha. Okay, and teacher May is from Philippines. Do you know? Do you know
I'm from
Philippines?
Thai.
Yeah, you're from Thailand. That's why teachers say sawadee ka. Okay, so, and are you ready to our class?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so teacher will share it to you now, our lesson. Okay? Okay, can you see the book?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so this will okay, so this will be our lesson. Okay, so do you like animals?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, because your book is all about animals. Oh, okay. So before we start our lesson, okay, so what is your favorite animal? Funha, what is your favorite animals? Hmm? My favorite. Okay, so you say what? Tiger?
Bird.
A bird. Okay, so you like a bird. All right. Okay, so and here, so we will going to talk about the animals. So animals at the rainforest. So what is a rainforest? Punha. Okay, so what is a rainforest? Do you know a rainforest?
I
Hmm?
don't know.
Okay, so when you say rainforest, okay, so it is found in tropical areas of heavy rainfall, and there is a lot of animals, and there is tall trees at the rainforest. Okay, so here, okay, so we have here. Mm, oh wait. Okay, so many animal species live in rainforests. Okay, so this, like this, so these are the animals, and there are lots of new species still to be discovered. So let's look at what lives in the Amazon rainforest of South America. Okay, so can you see the animals
Yes.
here? Full on? Okay, so what can you see here in the picture? A lot of animals, right?
Bat.
Yeah, so there is a bat. Okay, and what else? Okay, so how about this? Do you know this? This one. The Okay, so what butterfly is this? It's a blue morpho. Okay, so can you please read?
Blue motto.
Yes. Oh, can you see the book? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so this animal, this insect, okay, so there is a blue morpho butterfly. So do you like a butterfly?
No.
No? Why? uh, why you don't like a butterfly? Oh, have you seen a butterfly, Punha? Have you seen a butterfly? Is there a butterfly in your house? There is no butterfly?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, and so there is also this one. Oh, do you know this? This? Hmm? It is?
Tree. Bird.
Okay, so it is a tree boa.
Tree. Four.
Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, and yes, so okay, so and this one. So this is a kind of snake, right? Do you like a snake?
No.
No. Are you scared? Are you scared?
Yes.
Yes, of course. So teacher is also scared. Okay, and what about green iguana? Oh, okay, so can you see this? So there is a green iguana, right? Yes. Okay. So have you seen an iguana? Hmm?
Yes.
Oh, so how does it look? Like, is it big? So is
So.
iguana so big?
Huh?
Iguana is
Huh?
big? Oh.
Huh?
Oh,
No.
okay. So where? So where do you see an iguana? At
Yes.
the zoo?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. And so what about this? The mako. Oh, this one. So there is a beautiful color, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. And do you like this? Do you like a vampire bat?
Hi, Bat.
Yeah. So are you scared of vampire bat? Are you scared of the vampire
No.
bat? Yeah. So do you know? Okay. So do you know the favorite, like the favorite food of a a vampire bat? Hmm?
No.
So they love to eat mango. Yeah, so the vampire bat love to eat mango. Yeah, they love to eat mango. So like but their face like yeah, this one, yeah, so the face of the vampire is like so scary. Do you want to touch it? Do you want to touch the vampire bat?
Yes.
Okay, and how about this? A sloth. So where can you see a sloth?
No.
Hmm?
Sloth.
Yeah. Okay, so where can you see a sloth? So where can you see a sloth? Is there a sloth in Vietnam? Hmm? Is there any sloth in You know what? They are like lazy. Sloths are lazy. Do you know why? Or where can you see? Yeah, so like where can you see a sloth? And the America?
Yes, I did. No.
No, or in America? Yeah, no, 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 no. In Australia. So is there a sloth in Australia? Or how about in Thailand? Is there a sloth in Thailand?
Huh? No.
No. Okay, how about a monkey? How about a monkey like this one? So this is there is a howler monkey and uh this one, so the capuchin monkey. Yeah, so like they are all the same. So they are the family of monkeys. So do you like monkeys?
No.
Do you know their favorite foods? Yeah, like their favorite fruit? Banana. Monkeys love to eat banana. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so Fun yeah, so do you know all the animals here? Hmm? Do you know all the
No.
animals here? Okay,
No.
so no. So no, no, no. This one in this part only. This. So you don't know a monkeys. Hmm? So these are monkeys, and this is like a bird, the mako. And yeah, so the toucan, yeah, so these are also birds. Yeah, and this one, the harpy eagle. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. And so the monkeys, so they will going to climb. Do you know what is a climb? Hmm? Do you know climb? Like they will going to they will going to climb on the tree like that. Yeah, they will going to go up. Yeah, so the monkey. So that is climb. So do you know climb?
Huh?
Do you know? This is climb.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So can you climb? Can you climb? Climb up on tree? Huh?
No.
Like
No.
so you can climb. It's very easy to
No.
climb. Climb like a monkey. Yeah. Okay. And how about fly? Do you know what's a fly? Like this? Like this one? The birds. Birds will going to fly. Huh? Do you know? Oh, you don't know what's fly?
No. No.
Okay, like this. So, have you seen a bird? So the bird is flying. So they will going to fly. Phone an. So still don't know what is fly? Hmm? Like
No.
bean. Do
I
you know?
know.
Oh, you know. Okay. So can you fly? Can you fly?
No.
No. But do you want to fly? Do you want to fly? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, and oh, okay, how about hang? Do you know what's hang? This one, hang. Do you know? Do you know what's hang? Pun A, do you know what is hang? Like hang up.
No.
No. Okay, so look at the monkey. Okay, so the monkey is like he wants to sway like this, to swing. Yeah, so like that. He wants to hang. Okay, the monkey. Okay, so look at him. Yeah, so look at this monkey. Yeah, so he is like like hanging, like that. Okay, like sway. Do you know? Do you know Phun A? Phun A? Do you know what's hang?
อะไรอ่ะ
Do you know how รู้จักไหมโหนห้อยโหนอะ Yes รู้จัก
yes
Yes, okay. Okay, and so next is, okay, so we have here the other animal. Yeah, so there is another animals here. Okay, so we have here um okay, so what sounds, yeah, so what sounds might you hear in a rainforest? So, Funan, so if you are in the rainforest, so what sounds might you hear? Or what sounds will you going to hear if you are in the rainforest? So you can hear
ได้ยินเสีย
what?
งได้ยินเสียงออก
So you can hear different sounds of an animals, right?
อืม Sound of animal
Like different sounds of the animals. Okay, so if we are in the rain forest, okay, so and we have here the jaguar. Do you know a jaguar? Hmm?
no
This is the jaguar. This.
หลักอะ
Okay, so this is the jaguar. So, jaguar looks like what? What animal?
ไทเกอร์
นะ
เหมือนอะไรจากัวร์เหมือนอะไร
Tiger.
ไทเกอร์
tiger
Yes. Okay, jaguar looks like a tiger. Yes. Okay, so do you like a tiger? Do you like a tiger? Hmm?
no
No. Okay, okay. Okay, and what about this? Okay, the orchid bee. Okay, so can you read? Can you read? Punan?
อ่านให้ฟังหน่อยสิ
or
Orchid bee.
orchid bee
Again, can you read? Orchid bee.
orchid bee
Orchid.
orchid
Okay, and so how about this? So do you know this? A jewel beetle.
jewel beetle
Yes. Okay, so they are a beetle. Okay, so is there a beetle in your house? Hmm?
มีอะไรบ้างคะ
Is there any beetle?
อืม
no
No. Okay, yeah. So because jewel beetle. Okay, so we found it. So we find or we will going to found um jewel beetle in the rainforest. Okay, so like if you are in the wood, okay, so there is a jewel beetles. So they are family of beetles. Okay. And okay, so next is, so we have here orchid. Do you know orchid? This?
Yeah.
Orchid. Yeah, so orchid is what? It is a flowers.
เราก็คือดอกไม้
Yeah, so look at this. So the orchid,
Orchid.
เอาขิดเอาขิด
Orchid.
what? Okay, so this is a flower. Yeah. Okay, and next is, so we have cocoa tree. Oh, yeah. Yes, a cocoa tree. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, so at the rainforest, so there is cocoa tree.
Cocoa tree.
Tree.
Cocoa tree.
Yeah. Okay, and so of course, so there is also
Banana.
yeah. Yeah, so there is also a banana. So monkey, the monkeys love to eat bananas. Okay, and so next is there is also a giant centipede. Where is the giant centipede?
This is Hitler.
This one. Oh, so giant centipede. Okay, so at the rainforest, so there is also a giant centipede. And so inside the house, there is also a giant centipede.
เนี่ยเคยเห็นไหมขา
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so have you seen a centipede? This?
Huh?
เคยเห็นไหม
Yes.
So if the centipede will going to bite you, you will be dead. So it's
No.
yeah, it's dangerous. Yeah. Okay. And so next is, oh, how about this? Scorpion. Yeah, so also this. Yeah, the scorpion. So
Scorpion.
yeah, so there is also a scorpion in the rainforest. So how about inside your house? Is there a scorpion?
No.
No, in my house, there is a scorpion. Sometimes here inside our house, Punan, there is a scorpion. Because my house, a lot of trees, surrounded many trees, my house. So there is a centipede and scorpion.
ไม่ใช่ว่าจะติดไม้เลยนะ
Huh?
Yes. So there is a scorpion here. Okay, and next is the red frog, the red-eyed tree frog. So do you like a frog?
ชอบไหม
This, look at this. This one. Yeah. Do you know a frog? Look at this. Look at the frog. Frog is a what? Is it cute? Do you find frog is cute? Punan? Hmm? Have you seen any frog? Have you seen a frogs? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So do you like or do you want to touch the frog? Do you want to touch? Do you want to touch it? The frogs? Or no?
No.
No. Why? Do you know the frog? So the skin of the frog is is rough and cold. I like touching frogs, yeah, because their skin is rough and then their skin also is cold like ice. It's very cold. Do you know that frog they live in the water? They can live in the water and they also live in the land. Do you know that? Unan?
อยู่ในน้ำก็ได้อยู่ที่ดินได้ใช่ไหม
Do you know
รู้
that
ไหมว่า
frogs can live in the water and frog also can live in the
Yes.
land? Yeah. So why? So why frog can live in the water? Because what they have? Frog have what? Gills,
อยู่ใน
just
น้ำ
like a
ได้
fish. Yeah, so the frog can live in the water because frogs have gills that can help them to breathe in the water. Okay, so and yeah, so that's why frog so live in the water because they have gills like a fish. Okay, and so what can you see in the rainforest? Punan?
อะไรอีก
Hmm? So in the rainforest, yeah, so a lot of animals. So different kind of animals in the rainforest. And so can you answer this question? Like what sounds might you hear in a rainforest? What sound?
อืมจะได้ยินเสียงอะไรเรียนคำนี้กลางลูก
Like what sound? So there is a
Animal.
yeah, different sounds of animals. All right. Okay, just like the birds. Yeah, so like the jaguar, like different kind of animals. And also the the breeze, the breeze of the wind. Yeah, so we can also hear it from the rainforest and because of the a lot of trees, like the kapok tree. Do you know this?
ไหมด้วย
Chapel.
Yeah. So there is a kapok tree, like different kind of trees in the rainforest, and there is also different kind of the flowers. So do you want to go there? Do you want to go to rainforest? Hmm? Do you want to go there?
No.
Why?
แก้ว
Scared.
Because I am scared. Can you say?
พูดตามเลยดูขอ
Because I am scared.
Oh, but you are a boy. You need to be brave. You need to be brave because you are a boy. Don't scared.
Going home.
Okay, okay. And yeah, so there, yeah, so like this, and this is also a kind of beetle, the harlequin beetle. Yeah, and the armadillo, this one. Do you know this animal? Do you know this? Hmm? Do you know that? Do you know that kind of animal? Put an? Yeah, so like
เห็นบ้างไหม
yeah, so that is the armadillo. What?
ที่ช่วยซื้อไม่ได้
Yeah, so the
I don't understand.
armadillo. This is name of animal. Yeah, so this animal, yeah, so this animal's name is armadillo.
Um,
Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like a pig. or or a buffalo. It looks like, yeah, it looks like, but not. So this is armadillo.
Armadillo.
Yeah, and there is also a snail. Yes, can you see this? So this animal is called a snail. Yeah.
Snail.
Yes. Okay, so that is called a snail. Oh,
Snail.
yeah. Okay. Okay, and so next is, okay, so we have the, yes, the scorpion, giant centipede. Okay, so these are the name, Fun An. So these are the name of the animals of this animal, the giant anteater. So this and scorpion. Oh, can you read? Can you read? Can you read?
อ่านให้ฟังหน่อย
So what? So can you read all the animals here?
อันนี้ตรงไหนได้ก็อ่านไปเรื่อยๆสกอร์
Okay, so this one. So this one, this is called a decay. Yeah, so that is called,
Easy.
yeah, so that is called a decay. Yeah, so like that is a spoil. Okay, decompose like the fungi. This one. Yeah, so this. Okay, and this is fungi, as you can see here. And there is also a buttress roots. This one. Yeah, so you can see this in the rainforest. Okay, so do you know what's a decay? So this is anorganic.
รู้จักดีเคไหมเนี่ย
Yeah, so this, okay, that we can see in the rainforest. Okay. Next is the forest floor. Do you know a forest floor? And the ant. Look at the ant. The leaf cutter ant.
รู้จักว่าเขา
Yeah, the
Ant.
leaf cutter ant. Yes.
Ant.
Yes. Okay. So just like an ant. Okay. And so next is we have also here the African savanna. Oh, yeah. Okay. So do you know what's a savanna? Hmm?
รู้จักนะบาน่า
No.
Hmm? Do you know what's a savanna? Okay, so
No.
when you say savanna, okay, so that is a grassy, like grassy plain, and there are few trees only. So that is kind of okay. So like in Africa, yeah. So because in Africa, do you know Africa? Do you know that country?
รู้จักแอฟ
Do
ริ
you
กา
know that?
Ant.
Do- yes. Okay, so in Savannah, yeah, so that is a place like plain only. Like there is some grasses and there are some trees. Okay, but not so many trees in the savannah. Okay, so like a grassland, like a lot of grass. Yeah, so look at this one. So I will show you here a picture. Okay. So this is in Africa, like this one. Oh, like this. So like this is savanna. Yeah, so like there are some grass. Yeah, so it is a grassland, but don't have many trees. Very few trees only. Yeah, so look. Yeah, so like there is some grass. Yeah, so and then the trees are very few. Yeah, so just few trees only. So, um, so very yeah, so we in Africa, yeah, so in the Africa, yeah, so there is a savanna, yeah, there in Africa. Okay, and of course, so there is also animals that live in the savanna, like a grassland, like not too many, don't have a lot of trees. Okay, so and there is do you know this?
Giraffe.
Yes, a giraffe. And there's also a man here. So he's watching. Yeah, so watching some wildlife. Like in the savannah, yeah, so there is a lot of maybe wild animals just like this, like lions. Yeah. So
Lion.
yeah, so there is a lion there in the savannah. And then there is also an African rock python, like the snake. Oh my God.
African rock.
Yeah, so what do you call this? What is the name of this animal?
No.
African rock python.
No.
Oh, this is snake. This is a snake. The name of this snake is called African rock python. The name of this snake. So what is the name of the snake? It is African
African rock. Python.
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 Yeah. Okay. And of course, so some trees. So the name of this tree is acacia tree.
Acacia tree.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So you can go to the savannah. Yeah. And you can see a different also kind of animals, like a lot of animals also. Okay. In the savannah. And this is called what do you call this? Is safari
Huh?
track. Yeah. So that is called a safari track. Yes. And which big mammal has a very long nose? Do you know? Which big mammal has a very long nose?
Africa elephant.
Yeah, so an African elephant. Yeah, so as in Thailand, there is also an elephant, right? Many elephants in Thailand.
Monkey.
Yeah, so look at this one. Yeah, so this is African elephant. And there is also a Thailand elephant, right? Yeah. Many, many Thailand elephant in in your country, like a lot of elephants. Okay, and how about this? Okay, so there is also
Zebra.
yeah, so the zebras, and this is a watering hole. Watering hole. Yes.
Spring hole.
Yeah, so animals, yeah, so the animals in savannah will going to drink water here. Yeah, so they will going to get their water. And the elephant dung.
Elephant.
Yeah. Okay, and yeah, so next is we have the aardvark. Yeah, so this kind of animal, like there is a lot of animals. Okay, the impala, and yeah, so the aardvark. Okay, so like this is also one of the animals in the savannah, like in Africa. Okay, but yeah, so we will going to stop here our class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Fun